The GLP-1 revolution is reshaping medicine and markets at the same time. This stack maps every publicly traded layer of the weight loss and diabetes drug ecosystem, from the two giants on top, all the way down to the biotechs building what comes next. At the very top of this stack sit the two companies that started the GLP-1 wave. Eli Lilly brought the world Mounjaro and Zepbound, and just added a newly approved oral option called Foundayo to its lineup. Novo Nordisk answered with Ozempic and Wegovy, and earned the distinction of winning the first FDA clearance ever for an oral GLP-1 pill. These two companies are not just leading the category, they are defining it, and every layer beneath them exists in large part to serve the scale they need to keep up with extraordinary global demand. Behind every blockbuster drug is a picks and shovels layer making the molecule possible. Lonza operates the largest independent peptide manufacturing network in the world, giving it an outsized role in producing the active ingredients inside GLP-1 drugs. Thermo Fisher Scientific handles bulk biologics at scale. Maravai Life Sciences supplies the specialized reagents and raw materials that go into drug manufacturing workflows. And sitting further upstream on the discovery side, Schrödinger brings computational chemistry tools that help researchers design better molecules faster. These companies do not sell the drugs, they make the drugs possible. Once a GLP-1 drug is made, it still has to reach a patient safely, and that means an injector pen with precise components. This layer is a genuine choke point in the supply chain. Because the elastomer stoppers, cartridges, and delivery systems are highly engineered and cannot simply be sourced from any supplier overnight. West Pharmaceutical Services is the cleanest pure play on those critical elastomer and drug containment components in the US market. Becton Dickinson manufactures the needles and pre-filled syringe systems that go inside the pens, and Stevanato provides the glass cartridges and integrated delivery systems that house the drug itself before it ever reaches a patient. The next billion-dollar obesity drug has not launched yet, but several small biotechs are in the race to build it. Viking Therapeutics is running its dual GLP-1 and GIP injectable VK2735 through two fully enrolled phase 3 trials called Vanquish, with an oral version of the same molecule following close behind. Structure Therapeutics is advancing its oral candidate, aleniglipron, toward a phase 3 start in late 2026. And Altimmune is steering its drug pemvidutide toward a phase 3 program targeting MASH, the serious liver disease closely tied to obesity. These trials could genuinely shape what metabolic medicine looks like after today's leaders, but all of that depends on the results still to come. Beyond the pure GLP-1 players, several large pharmas hold diabetes, heart and kidney franchises that either compete with or benefit alongside the GLP-1 wave. AstraZeneca's Farxiga is a major force in heart failure and kidney protection. Roche is drawing serious attention with CT388, a dual receptor drug that showed 22.5% weight loss at 48 weeks and is now entering phase 3. Amgen is running its monthly injectable MariTide through a large phase 3 program called Maritime. And Sanofi still anchors a significant portion of the insulin market globally with Lantus and Toujeo. These names round out the competitive and collaborative landscape around metabolic disease. Every one of these companies is connected. Supply contracts, licensing deals, and competitive pressures ripple across every layer. Stack Maps lets you see the full picture in one place and get signals on the news moving each company in real time. Follow Stack Maps across all your social platforms so you never miss the next Stack breakdown.